Hey guys, today we are doing an unboxing of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I got one of the exclusive colors. Before I even open this, I just want to say, if you're planning on buying one of these exclusive colors, be prepared to wait a very, very long time. The website says 4 weeks. I think for the red one, it's at like 7 weeks or something. But the 4 weeks is a lie. Well, at least for me it was. I waited until 46 days to get this from the day I ordered it. So be very patient, but hopefully the color will be worth it. So yeah, aside from that little precaution of having to wait forever, it should be a good phone, you know? I mean, people like it. But yeah, that's why it took me forever for me to make a video on this, because I didn't get it until today. So whatever, let's just unbox it. So right here we have a very nice S, which has, you know, like the red, the graphite, and sky blue, the free exclusive colors for the Ultra. On this side here we just have some text. This is Galaxy S22 Ultra. On the top we don't have anything. On this side we just have Samsung logo. On the back we have this package of contents, how to recycle it. The bottom is just like your serial number, the capacity, and IMEI, which I'm not going to show. But yeah, let's just open it. I already cut the tape, so. Ooh. Oh, I thought it would be like the other way, but yeah. And here's the phone. We just lift it up and, okay, it's pretty big phone. Ooh. And this is the sky blue, and it's very blue. I was gonna say it looks like the cloud blue from S20, but not quite. And yeah, it is a matte finish. And you know, aside from, yeah, it's just a matte finish, and wow. I quite like it. Glass back, matte finish, billion cameras. Yeah, so we have, I believe this is the main, the 10 not 10 megapixels, is it 10 megapixel? This is the telescope lens or something. I think this is telescope, and this is ultra wide. Wait, does that make sense? I don't know, just like a billion cameras. I think this is a laser autofocus, and that's a flash. I don't know, but yes, great cameras and everything. And down here, it just shows here the be very careful. This is like the SIM slot, and then saying don't insert the SIM in the wrong slot. So yeah, you can see there's like 2 holes there. They're literally next to each other, so make sure to put it in the correct spot. So just a little PSA from Samsung. And you know what, let's just get rid of this sucker. It looks so nice. And even though it's a matte finish, it's not super duper grippy, so that kind of sucks. Anyway, let's just boot that up. Samsung Galaxy, powered by Android, blah blah blah. You know how Samsung phones are. Oh yeah, I forgot about the rest of the box. So what do we have in the box? What? I don't know why I'm like dumbfounded by it, but yes. Ooh, a little ripple animation there on the, I like that. Anyway, SIM jack tool. I believe in here we just have a USB-C cable and the pamphlet. Very unexciting unboxing. Okay, so good. This one's C to C. I need the C to C. Like USB-C on both ends of the cable. So if you buy one of their fast chargers, that one has a USB-C on it. So yeah. Quick start. This is depressing. Like, what is this? Okay, so are we really gonna go for the setup? Like, no, we are not. And yeah, there's no screen protector. Okay, great. Well, yeah, that's the phone. And here we also have a blue S Pen. Insert SIM. Well, we can't do anything else. Anyway, I have a couple accessories too because this phone took literally forever to arrive, so I've had the accessories for a while. First off, I have a speed screen protector, and you know how I am. If this thing sucks, I will let you guys know, but I can't know because I just got the phone, so you know, I'll install it and maybe I'll make an edit at the end if it's good or not. It just comes, it's a 2-pack. It was like $10, not too bad. I just liked it because the whole punch is only like the whole punch part. Most cases are like a U shape, like this. Like what this one is, it's like a U shape. It's like impossible to see on camera, but it's like a U shape. Next up, I have the Speed Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, and this case is quite nice. It comes with this belt clip thingy, yeah, and the case itself comes with the kickstand. I've had this case on multiple phones, so yeah, I quite like it. So I'll be putting this on my Ultra. And finally, I got the protective standing cover. It was kind of overpriced, but I just liked it because of the kickstand. But yeah, it's blue, but the crappy part is it's transparent. You know, let's install it quickly on the phone and see how it looks. And this is how it looks. Honestly, it looks kind of nice. I don't hate it. As a kickstand. So this is like your 90 degree, yeah, something like that. And this is like 45-degree angle. And it has a lanyard slot here on both sides. And it also comes with an extra pair. That's just like that little middle piece that goes on there. So yeah, like this gray piece would replace that one. So basically you can have a gray kickstand like you see here. So it comes with that for customization. And that's pretty much it. Galaxy S22 Ultra. We'll definitely be making videos on this. It's such a big phone, man. But yes, it has a pen. Oh, kind of hard to get out with it. Oh, there we go. I think it made a little noise. But yeah, I can't do anything else. But yeah. Yay. Now I'm gonna go set this up. Oh, final PSA. If you live in Canada, you got this phone. On March 29th, there will actually be an update on this. It's like the day 1 update. So if you're just getting it, maybe before you set it up, update it and then factory reset it. That's what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna play around with it today and then factory reset it tomorrow when I get the update. But honestly, they delayed the update multiple times, so who knows if we'll get it. But yeah, that's it for the unboxing. Lots of cases and screen protectors and stuff. I'll try my best to cover if everything's good or bad or whatever. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, so I've had the phone for about 3 days now. Just wanted to comment on the cases. So this case, the official Samsung one, it's alright. I do think it's a bit overpriced. It has 2 kickstands. It's slightly transparent, which I'll show a picture of what it looks like on the phone. The corners are slightly less sharp than they are on the phone itself. And it's okay. I just think it costs a bit too much. And depending on what color you can get, depending on what color you get, it will either look nice or it'll look ugly. For this one, I think this is a great case. Not too expensive. It does add a bit of bulk. It's basically like an Otterbox Defender, but with a kickstand. So there's that. And yeah, there's the front of it. This has a big blue bezel. Main reason I'm making this at the end is the screen protector. This is the SpeedGen one, the NeoFlex I believe it's called. And I would not recommend it because it's so annoying, wet applied one. And it has like a rubbery feeling, which I don't really like on these type of screen protectors. So don't get the wet applied screen protectors. In fact, this is my second one because the SpeedGen came with 2 in the box. The first one I ruined, so this is the second one. Would not recommend it. I would say just get the normal plastic screen protectors. Maybe try your luck with a gloss one. I hear like the white stone or something like that. I don't exactly know what it's called. It's one of the nice glass screen protectors. Maybe try one of those. But yeah, I mean, I got it applied mostly. Still some air bubbles here and there, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and yes, I have a picture of this with the phone in it at the end.